Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm with my friend Noah. Say hi. Well, he says "shuh." They can't even see you.
Oh yeah.
But so today, yeah, I don't have my face cam on. But today, I made a really OP hack, and if you guys want to use it and publish, oh, oopsies, I left the game. And if you guys want to do it, sorry, I accidentally paused the recording. But I made a really OP hack, and if you guys want to use it, if you want me to publish it and let you guys use it, I will sure do that. It is called NoHaHa. So first of all, it's using the Weird Devs API. So first press on attach. It'll say that. And then it'll give you this notification. Press on OK. And then you have all of these commands that you can use. Force chat, since this is the Weird Devs API. Yes. It'll print Weird Dev's website. All of these work. As you guys can see. If you guys want me to get this out published and to you guys, let me know in the comments below. This is a really OP hack. It works and everything. I don't know if remove fire works. Yeah, remove fire doesn't work. Guys, just know that remove fire doesn't work. You're just going to have to either reset or the nice exploiting way. Press the kill button. Sorry guys, so I had to do something. I don't remember what I was saying, but this is fully functional. Hope you all enjoy. Yeah, everything works. I can make a very thick force field that lags my game out. Dude, look how thick my force field is. Oh, frick, it's lagging hard, guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
You can't even see anything.
Boys. I just said broys because it's too crazy. I gotta kill myself. Dude, look, it's just like blue.
It's just like a portal to another.
Yo, guys, I have an idea. We're going to try this out in Roblox Jailbreak. Okay, guys, now we're in Jailbreak. We're going to see if this works. So let's go ahead and inject it into the game. Attach. Crash my game. It does crash pretty much. Mostly every exploit crashes. When it's just really weird to inject into the game. But you need me to say something? Subscribe to my friend's channel, Noah. It'll be called Lucypedia, but yeah, he used it. He forgot his email, so he uses his mom's. But go ahead and subscribe to him. Link in the description.
Just look for. Well, just look for.
Okay. No. Okay. Let's see if speed will work. Darn, it didn't work, dude. Blockhead. Oh, it worked. What about which one should we do? Sparkles or no? Let's do fire. Where's fire? Where's fire? I can't find. Okay.
Force field.
No!
Force field. Do force field.
It crashed. Oh, I got kicked.
I hate it.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Some functions work in Roblox Jailbreak, but I hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.